In this video, we have the how to install the Vanguard for Valorant. So first, we need to go to our control panel. So we need to check the Vanguard is available or not. So if it's available means it's no problem. If not available means we need to install. So go to control panel. So go to uninstall a program is there. Click the uninstall a program and search for Vanguard. Scroll down and you can see the Vanguard is available. So right now I'm uninstalling the Vanguard and telling how to install it again. Okay. Yes, click yes, continue. And now the Vanguard is uninstalled. So you can see now after installing, close it. Yes, close it and you need to go to Riot client. Click the Riot client and open the Riot client. Yes, click it. Yes, yes. After you can see the in the left, yes, click it. Yes, then you can see install Vanguard is there. Okay, it automatically updated. So now it's installing right now. You can see installing Vanguard. So it's preparing for downloading and installing. So this is a easy step and easy way to install the Vanguard. Once you open the software and if you click means it will automatically install, and after it play you can click it's installed completely. So once again I'm going control panel and checking the Vanguard status is installed or not. So now we scroll down and see, yes, it's installed perfectly. So this is how to install the Vanguard in your uh, PC or Windows. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.